Alright, here's the next video. So far we've covered various tactics. The main tactics, I guess I would say the main tactics are the fork, the pin, and the skewer. Those are the main three, and then also maybe check if you consider that. But we're considering check not for now. So these are the main three, and these will get you by. Of knowing these will help quite a bit. There's other ones too, and more advanced ones to know, but these are the three main to know for now, and we'll cover the basics of it. And this one is the skewer. The skewer is the opposite of the pin. The skewer is when you attack a piece and then it's either a bad idea or it can't move because the piece behind it will get attacked. The skewer is the opposite. It's attacking the piece in front to move it, so that it will attack the piece behind it. So it's like the reverse of the pin in the reverse order. So for example, this one's a skewer. In this case, it's the king, and a king skewer is like usually on a king. I think it's possible to skewer not on a king, but it's attacking the piece, so a piece of higher value is uncovered behind it. It's sort of the opposite of the pin, is all I really know. A pin would be if the king was on e8 and the rook moved to e1, but if it was guarded, it wouldn't be a good idea because the queen could just take it. But if it was guarded, like the king was on f2 and the rook moved to e1 and the black king was on e8, that would be a pin. And again, the squares is just like Battleship. It's just like Battleship that it's the number of the row. It goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, because it's 8, A through H, and then it's also A high, so it goes 1 through 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's A1, here's B2, here's C3, here's D4. No, sorry, let me use the marker. Here's A1, here's B2, here's C3, here's D4. This is C4, this is B4, this is A4. This is D3, this is D2, this is D1. It's just like Battleship with the notation, and then you have to use you put what piece you're moving to what square, but I can cover that in a bit. Look up algebraic notation if you want to learn about it. Look up on Wikipedia or Google algebraic notation, like algebra, but algebraic, and you can Google that. And anyway, this tactic here is a skewer. The rook can go to e1 check, the king moves, and then takes the piece behind. The rook takes e7, takes the queen, and then you win the queen for free, and now you can win with the king and the rook, because the king and the rook can checkmate a lone king. And this tactic is called the skewer. So that's it. So there we go. That's it for that. Thanks for watching.